Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Mania channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide apps on Android Pie or Samsung One UI. So let's start the video. First of all, go to the settings app, tap on display, then scroll down and select home screen. Then again scroll down and select hide apps. Here you can hide any app or apps that you want to. For example, in my case, I would like to hide this Instagram app. Simply select the app and click on apply. Now we can see that there is an application by the name of Instagram. It means that the app is now completely hidden in my phone. Now how to unhide the app again? Pinch in the home screen, select home screen settings, then tap on hide apps. Now you can see that the only hidden apps in my phone is Instagram. Now simply tap on the minus button, then click on apply. Now you can see that the Instagram app is back again on my phone. So thanks for watching this video, and please do like and comment if you really like the video. Thanks.